we got a misfire on the 5.4 Triton 3 valve, and the firing order from the front of the vehicle, passenger side, bank 1, is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I want to say it's 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is going to be the firing order on this guy. So we got bank 1 on the passenger and bank 2 on the driver's side. We got a oil gasket on the valve cover assembly on bank 1 that's leaking, and we've got some misfires happening over here. So we're going to try and knock that out, get that fixed. We've got aftermarket coils on this guy, and I think the spark plugs are okay. We just need to clean them up a little bit. Here's the passenger side, and as you can see, we got some oil residue inside our spark plug socket. So definitely need to go ahead and get this addressed. I think it's an 8mm bolt head on the top of the coil pack, and that's what's holding those coils in. And then these electrical connectors, they're notorious for breaking, so got to really carefully pull those off of the coils and see what we're looking at here in a minute. For those wondering, it's a 7mm socket for the coil packs, so make sure you grab that. All right, there's one of the coils. Got the little rubber boot that goes around the actual coil itself, and this is the reason why they call them coils. So we're going to go ahead and play it safe and just take off these 2 front coils and switch them with cylinder 3 and 4. See if we can't have that misfire move from the rear cylinders up here, and that will eliminate you know, whether or not it's the spark plug or the coil, we can at least just eliminate the coils. So that's really what I'm going to go ahead and focus on doing right now. So let me just keep pushing at it. All right, we got the coil in the very back here. I just put a OEM Motorcraft coil on there and took out the old aftermarket one. I've got one of the good ones here, and cylinder 3 and 4, the suspected bad ones, we got them right here. So I'm going to go ahead and move one of those up here to cylinder number 2, and we'll put this one that we know is still working strong over here in cylinder number 3. But yeah, it's going to be a little bit of a process. Still have just a little bit more work, just working that 7mm on top of these little nuts and then putting the connections back together carefully. All right, let's get this one in here now. Bit of a tight space here with all these electrical connections coming in. Once you get that rubber boot down in the hole, give it a good push. Should be good. Doesn't need much. Now we just need to put that 7mm in there, and it'll hold it, and we can snap the connection in. We had one of the connectors break, so we had to put a zip tie around the base and then a secondary zip tie over the connector to lock it in. So now it won't come loose. Anywho, got that 7mm tightened up. Now we're just down to this one guy right here, cylinder number 2, and we're going to take a gamble and just clean up one of these and throw them in to cylinder number 2 and hope for the best. All right, all the coils are in. Let's go ahead and start it up and see how it runs. All right, we got our Griffin from Edge, and as you can see, we had a cylinder misfire on number 3 and cylinder misfire on number 4. Seems to be running pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and clear these codes. And we'll hit enter. All right, check engine light is gone. We're rocking and rolling at this point. Let's just take it for a drive around the block real quick. All right, just got back from a lawn job, and she's purring like a kitten at 750 RPM. Been running good. all warmed up to full operating temperature. 198, a little on the hot side, but it is a hot day. As you can see, it's 94 degrees out there. I think I'm going to leave it at that for this video on our F150. If you guys are curious about other videos, we got 04 to 08 model videos on Super Crew F150s. And if you guys need, we got a playlist on our channel for our F150 here. So if you are curious about any other repair videos, you might be lucky and find what you need down on our playlist. As always, we appreciate you watching our videos, and we will see you on the next one. Take care.